this video, it's going to be a DIY creative fun portrait ideas that you can do in your home with limited resources during the current situation. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and that if you like them enough, you try to do them on your own. So for the first idea, you'll need any glass jar or containers to create a morph effect. You can play around with different levels of water and different shaped containers to get different effects. I played around with different containers so I could have a variety of photos. So the next idea is to use a projector to create a dreamlike overlay effect. You can play around with different photos and or shapes to put over your face. You could use the flashlight settings on your phone if you don't have a projector, and the photos still turn out pretty cool. For this idea, you can use any fabric that has a crochet pattern or knitting pattern to create a shadow effect. I used the flashlight on my phone to try to get the shadow to lay on my face, and it took a lot of trial and error, but the photos turned out pretty cool. This idea is just to play with the arrangement of stickers to create really dynamic photos. It's really cool how creative you can get with this, and it kind of reminds me of the Snapchat freckles filter. If you want to see a full-blown photo shoot inspired by stickers, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.